Yep, we're doing fake baby hairs today. That's the plan. Okay, this first little lace baby hair I did was hidden though. Hidden. Okay, but we gotta start from the beginning. So I went with Ashley to get my hair braided. I'll put her information below so y'all can follow her. She does braids, locks, probably more than that, to be honest. She's very, very talented. She has the touch of an angel, very soft. She's great with tender-headed people like myself. Prices are reasonable, and she's a very, very sweet person. Okay, now that the appetizer is done, we about to get to the main course, baby. What you're here for, let's get it. But wait though, when I take off this scarf, look at how clean her work is. Stop playing with her. Oh my God. I ain't never had this. I'm literally so dramatic. But anyway, these are the baby hairs that I pre-made. Okay, I pre-made them out of an old frontal that was balding and had no hope for it, no room in the end, nothing. It had no hope. So I made 5 of them. I want 1 in the middle and then 2 on each side. So that's the placement that we're going for this time. And surprise, surprise, we're going with Bold Hold Liquid Gold today, as always. Make sure y'all practicing safe hair, okay? This is safe hair protection right here, okay? Use it. I am not using real glue to put them on, and I don't think you should either if you're trying to do this. Just wear it for 1 day, take it off at the end of the day, or wear it for 2 days. That's it. So today you're just gonna need your elastic edge band. You're going to need some hairspray, and you're going to need your baby hair brush, and that's about it. Okay, here's the first baby hair. It's the middle baby hair. We're going to start off with that one. I'm low-key scared to look stupid, but you know what? I'm going to do it for the big head girls, okay? I'm going to do it for the no having edges girls, okay? Like, this is for you, baby. So we're going to slide that Bold Hold Liquid Gold. Just enough. You don't need it too thick, and spread it around. You can get it on your hair a little bit, spread it around nice and evenly. You could get a fan or a blow dryer to dry it just a little bit to make it tacky. So I forgot to mention, so the place that I got my hair braided is also the place I work at, and it's also a beauty supply store too. And I got this fan from there. So if y'all in San Diego area and you want to support a Black-owned business, Black-owned beauty supply store, come through. We got what you need. We got what you need. Royal Creations Hair, that's what it's called. I'll put the information below. Okay, back to it. So I just placed it where I thought it would look nice. And keep in consideration that you're going to swoop it. So you don't want it to be too long. And you want to place it just right for the swoop to be all right. So I just placed it and pressed it down, and then I'm going to blow dry some more. Not really blow dry, but fan it some more until it dries completely. Okay, once it is dry, go ahead and take your hairspray and your baby hair brush. Spray the hairspray on the baby hair brush and hold the top where you just like hold it down and swoop your baby hair. So some may ask, why am I using hairspray? I like fluffy baby hairs and not that gel down look. I just like a little security. I said security, and but I still like that little fluffy, little loose look. So I am going to do the same thing I just did with all the other 4 baby hairs. So continue watching to see how I do that. I'm gonna kind of fast forward it a little bit. Okay, so one side is done. We got 2 more baby hairs left. I'm starting to look like something. I'm starting to look like I could go outside, okay? Nah, because we have to zoom up because I have real life baby hairs. Anyways, we're done. Just put your elastic band on. Make sure you just put it on the part where the lace is, not your baby hairs that you just nicely swooped. You don't want those to get messed up. So I recommend that you have your elastic band with you at all times, especially in the summer. Just put it on where the lace is and you'll be fine. I've been wearing this style for about a week with the baby hairs too, and I guess I left them on for 2 days at a time, and they still look nice, but I still had to restyle them and maybe like not glue down, but bold hold liquid it down on some sides that was lifting up. I wanted y'all to see them in different lighting, so that's why I'm all over the place with the videos. Yeah, by this time, I definitely had these in for a while. Oh, and I did use a frontal that was HD lace. I forgot to mention that. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to me, okay? Because your girl needs to be feeling the love, okay? Show me some love. Love y'all. Bye.